Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher in the International Knowledge School. In today's lesson, as usual, we will go through the workbook and go through the questions that we had in the last homework, and then we'll move on to the pupils book and move on to today's lesson. So let's go to the workbook, go for the homework that we had the last time. Now, I already answered it here, but I will go through the questions and the answers so you know why I answered the questions this way. Now, is it day or night? Label the pictures and color them. Now here, this is the night and this is day. Of course, now I just have to color them and give them a nice color so we can tell the difference between them. Of course, the sun is yellow, the sky might be blue, the ocean might be also blue or light blue. You can give any colors to the chair or the umbrella, and the sand is also yellow or like orangey yellow between those two colors. And the sky is here. That's the morning, and in the night, the sky can be black, the stars can be yellow, the moon has to be white. That's okay. You can color these mountains green or like light yellow. It can be either of these colors. This can be green for grass. So here it is night, and here it is day. Now here we're going to join the opposites. Now here, of course, we have night is the opposite of day. Awake is the opposite of asleep. Light is the opposite of dark. Of course, I wrote them here, so you can actually write them and get used to the spelling of these words. Night is the opposite of day. Awake is the opposite of asleep. Light is the opposite of dark. Okay, so these are opposites right here. Okay, so now we move on to the next page. Finish the words and arrows to complete the charts. Now here we have a sun, and here we have a star. Of course, this is a question that we answered the last time, so we can go through these really quickly. So the sun is a star. It has heat. It is a ball of fire, and it brings us light. So here, a star, heat, fire, light. Now for Earth, we have a little bit like more stuff here. Earth is a planet. It has people living in it, and animals, and plants. So three things. It's a planet that has people, animals, and plants. So who lives on Earth? People, animals, and plants. Okay, so let's do that very quickly. Who lives on Earth? People, good. Animals, good. Plants, that's very good. People, animals, and plants. Earth is a mixture of rock, metal, and water. So it's a mixture of three things. What is Earth made of? Rock, metal, water. Okay, so again, what is the Earth made of? Rock, that's good. Metal, that's good. Water, that's great. Okay, those are what the Earth is made of. Okay, so those are the charts. Here we have a bit of like a small song. It has a rhyme to it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So you can look up this song. It's called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. But if you'd like to sing it along, you can replay the video for the first part, and this is how it goes. This is the rhyme for it. Okay, we can sing it along together, I guess. Listen to it first, and after I finish, play the video again, and back like a few seconds, and sing along with me. Okay, so this is the first time. So listen. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing setting sun is gone, when ain't nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Then the traveler in the dark, thank you for your tiny spark. He could not see which way to go, if you did not twinkle so. In the dark blue sky you keep, and often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye, till the sun is in the sky. Okay, now you can play the video again and sing it along. If you like this song, I don't think my singing is that good, but if you like it, you can sing it along with me. If you want a better version with music, you can go ahead and look for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by Anne and Jane Taylor at 1806. Of course, there are better versions that came after 1806. There are versions like after 2000s, which have like nice music and nice singers, which you will definitely enjoy along with the cartoon and the videos. So Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by Anne and Jane Taylor. Or you can just write Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and you can find many versions of the song. Okay, so that's it for the workbook. Now we'll go back to the pupils book, and then shortly afterwards we'll go back to the workbook and answer a few more questions. Okay, now here we're on page 72. Review questions. Okay, which is day and which is night? Of course, I noticed that some of the questions are answered, but I removed them. That's because I already have the answer, but I wanted to answer them again with all of you. So here, which is day? A or B? Which one is day? That's right. This one is day. So you can just connect it like this. Which one is night? That's right. This is night. Okay. Okay. Say if each sentence is true or false. We can see the sun at night. Let's see. Can you see the sun here? No. So that's false. So the answer so if we want to correct it, we can say we can't. I'll try to write it a little slower. So we can't see the sun at night. Or we can say we can see the sun in the morning, or we can't see the sun at night. Okay, the sun is a star. No, or actually yes or no. Let's see. The sun is a star. Is it a star or a planet? The sun is a star. So what's a planet? The earth is a planet, and the sun is a star. So here, the sun is a star. True. The sun is a star, so that's good. The sun is cold. Let's see. Let's go back to page 69. Or no, sorry. Which page was it? 65? Yeah. The earth moves around the sun. The path it follows is called an orbit. The sun is a star. It's a huge ball of fire in space. The sun gives us heat and light. Okay, heat is the opposite of cold. So here, the sun is cold. No. The sun. Okay, wait. This should be connected. The sun is hot. Okay, the sun is hot. Of course, don't forget the full stop that marks the end of the sentence. The earth has oceans. Let's see. The earth has oceans, so we have to go back to earth at page 75. Okay. Of course, the oceans are water, but let's see if it has oceans. Some parts of Earth are covered with water. These are oceans. So the Earth has oceans. That's true. There are plants and animals on Earth. Let's see. We have land, water, no plants and animals. Let's see. No plants and animals. No plants and animals. Animals and plants. Animals and plants have ways to survive the changing seasons. Where do we have seasons? The weather changes in seasons. Seasons are on Earth. Animals and plants have ways to survive the changing seasons. So this must be yes. There are plants and animals on Earth. There are plants and animals on the sun. The sun is a huge ball of fire. So it's hard for anything to live on a huge ball of fire. So here it's going to be false. There aren't, I'll just correct it here. There aren't plants and animals on the earth, on the sun. The earth is bigger than the sun. Let's see. Which one is bigger, the earth or the sun? Okay, so we go back to this diagram that we drew for the models. This is the sun and this is the earth. Which one is bigger, the sun or the earth? The sun is bigger than the earth. So here, no. You can say the sun is bigger. Oh wait, you should be connected. Try to leave some space between each letter. Bigger than the earth. Or you can just write it with a capital E. Earth. Okay. Make sure to write the E on Earth with capital each time because it's a proper name, and proper names are capitals. Just like your name. You write your name with a capital at the beginning, and Earth has a capital as well. But the sun is not, because there are many suns in the world, so it's just something we call a certain object in the space. The Earth is a planet. Let's see. The Earth is a planet, yes. So this is true. Okay, the Earth is a planet. Alright, that's great for this one. Now, let's look at the next one. Name the seasons in these pictures. What season is this? Let's go back and see. Well, it's the same picture. Seems hot because people are wearing half sleeves here. And they're wearing sunglasses, so the sun is strong. So this must be summer. So let's write summer. Okay, so that's summer. Now here you can see it's raining and it seems cold because people are wearing coats. So let's see, which season is cold? Let's go back to page 69. In winter the weather is cool. So this must be winter. So here we write W, winter. Okay, so that's the winter. Oh, was it good? Yeah. Okay, what's this? There are leaves falling. It seems a bit cold because people are still wearing coats. In autumn, the weather cools again. So this must be autumn. So here we write autumn. Okay, great. This last one, so we have summer, winter, autumn, and the last season is spring. So this is spring. Okay, now if this was too fast for you, as always, you can always pause the video and play it at your own pace so that you don't feel like you're rushed and you have to rush through the exercises. Okay, so these are the seasons. We have summer, when it's hot and sunny. Winter, when it rains and it's cold. Autumn, when the leaves fall and it's cool. Spring, when the flowers bloom and the weather is balanced, not very hot, not very cold, and it's a very nice weather to be out and to have fun outside. Okay, so that's it for the seasons. Now here, name the season that comes between winter and summer. Now notice it starts with an S. Let's see what weather comes between winter and summer. So this is the winter and this is the summer. What season comes between them? This is the winter, then spring, then summer. So the season that comes between them is spring. Here write SP, spring. Okay, so that's the season that comes between winter and summer, spring. It's the same here as well. Okay, so after the summer, then we have winter, spring, then summer, then we have something else. Name the season that comes between summer and winter. So this is the summer, it goes to autumn, and then we go to a circle again. We have winter, right? So what's between the summer and the winter? Can you guess? What's between summer and winter? What is the pass here? This is the circle, this is how it goes. Of course, after it finishes this, it goes all the way here. And then the circle goes on again. Oh sorry, it's the other way around, not this way. It's the other way around. I'll draw the arrows inside, so it's actually clearer than this. Okay, so we have winter, spring, summer, autumn, and then all the way back to winter. So winter, spring, summer, autumn, and then winter again. So what's between the summer and winter? Can you guess? That's right, it's autumn. So between summer and winter, we have autumn. Sorry if I wrote that too fast. You can always pause the video and write it at your own pace. Okay, so between winter and summer, we have spring. Between summer and winter, we have autumn. Okay, so these are the 4 seasons that we have. Here, say what each weather symbol means. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 symbols, and you have to write what they mean. Okay, now I want you to pause the video. I'm not sure if these are clear for you to see. That they're not, that's good. I want you to pause the video and try to answer these on your own from your memory. Can you still remember what these symbols mean? If you do, you can write it down. If you don't, it's okay. You can leave it and move on to the next one. Okay, so you can go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, so if you pause the video and you're back, let's see what these symbols mean. So this is the first one, and it means sunny. Sunny. Okay. This is the second one, and it means cloudy. Cloudy. Okay, and this is the third one, and it means wet. Now, wet usually means that it's been raining, so that's the meaning of wet. Okay, D, windy. Windy. Okay, here it's calm. Calm. Here it's hot. Hot. Here it's cold. It doesn't necessarily have to be 15, but it has to be anything under 20, and that will always mean something that's cold. Okay, so now listen and repeat. Sunny. Sunny. Cloudy. Cloudy. Wet. Wet. Windy. Windy. Calm. Calm. Hot. Hot. Cold. Cold. Okay, that's very good. that's a good job of doing this one. Now we can close the pupils book. We're done with the pupils book. We will review it after we finish the questions in the workbook, and then we will go back and review every the most important points in each unit, so that we make sure that you understand everything that we've done in the past. And of course, the homework is answered here. The homework is going to be page 56, 56 and 57. Now look at the answers. You can take your time answering the questions. You can see some of the answers here, but don't copy them. The homework is 56 and 57 in the workbook. Try to do it on your own, and we'll check together in the next lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.